This is how to create easy reflection of any image for free. Welcome to part 2 of Canva Secret Apps you might just love. Open Canva and hit the plus button. Select any size of your choice. Go to Elements. Now go to Search Elements button. Type in shoe and hit the search icon. Photos. Let's use this one. Resize and position it in the middle. Now go to Apps. Search Canva Apps. Type in Easy Reflection and hit the search icon. Select the first one. Now select the shoe added, click Create Reflection and wait for the magic. Scroll up and click Add to Design button. Resize the reflected element to the size of the actual element. Let's try another one with a different element. Go to Elements. Edit the Search Elements button and type in car. Now scroll up and choose your best photo. Resize and position it in the middle. Now to Apps. Easy Reflection. Select the added element. Click the Create Reflection button and wait for the magic. Scroll up and click Add to Design button. Adjust and resize the reflected element to the size of the actual element. Now select the background and go to Color. Scroll up and choose the color that best suits your design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do me a favor to like, subscribe and share with a friend.